everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1986 Chevrolet IROC, real IROC Z, guys. 21,000 original miles with a clean Carfax. Killer little car. I took it in on trade on a 69 Camaro I had. Very nice car, guys. This is the original color combination, red flame metallic. Of course, it's got the gray cloth interior. Super nice car. I believe that this car has been repainted. He didn't really know. The paint's too nice. If you know these cars, man, back in the 90s, I sold 100 of these things, and that 80s paint was just tough. And the paint on this car is just too nice. Slick. Again, it is the factory color combination. Very nice paint that's on it. Of course, you can see the correct IROC aluminum wheels on it. It's a coveted T-top car, which is what everybody wants. These things have just caught fire. The 80s cars are really coming on strong right now. Again, it's a clean Carfax, no accident history. That does have the miles on the Carfax. Very nice car. I've seen a couple of little stone pecks. Other than that, not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Again, slick paint. Rides and drives like new, which it should. I believe it's got all the original glass. Again, factory T-tops. It's got rear defog, rear power trunk release. Of course, the T-top bags are back there. Mikey, shut that door so I can show him the side. I'll call you out to open the doors in the deck. Sorry. I think I told you wrong there. Get nice and straight down the sides. Goodyear Eagle, I don't know what the tires are. I put them in the ad, though. They have put a Flowmaster muffler on it. Still has a catalytic converter on there. But they put new pipe. You'll see it in the photo. Pretty good stone peck there. That's probably the worst, spot on the car. Yeah, those are Goodyear Eagle ZR50s. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Factory 305 HO 2-port injected engine. Power steering, power disc brakes, air. It's got the 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Pretty much just bone stock underneath here. Air blows cold. You can see even the little light works. All your little decals are still on there. Pretty paint, pretty color on this car. Car came out of New York. You can still got the inspection stickers on it. Mirrors are nice, and glass is nice. Power windows, power locks. Those are definitely original. All this stuff looks original in here. Original door tags. All original interior, bucket seats, console, tilt, cruise. I think everything on it works. Seats are nice. liner looks good. 21,964 on your odometer. Factory tach and gauges. Factory Delco radio. You can see the dash is nice. Stock 323 G80 limited slip rear gear. Again, this is power. That's your sunshade there. This seat, on the back of this seat is nice. I know I've had quite a few of these over the years that, you know, when they get some miles on them or they're out in the sun, the interior will burn up. You can see this car shows the correct mileage. T-top bags, your spare and jack, I think, is in this compartment here. Again, the shocks are good. Most of these, if you know, you look at them. Again, that's power. You just click it shut. It, I got it. And it shuts. Car's clean underneath. They got some pictures of the floors and everything. Again, they have put a Flowmaster muffler on it. Really nice car. Seats are nice. You can tell the car is well maintained. Again, glass is real nice. It's got the dual mirrors. I saw a couple of little stupid things. Yeah, maybe not. Those look good. Right now, so we definitely got to have the air on. Pretty car, man. Tach works, all your gauges work. Doors open and close nice. Brake lights. Backup lights. Give it a little rev, Mike. Sounds good. Brake light works. Radio works. Yep. Lower motor, everything works.
How about your?
In the rear, it actually rear fog's on. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Pretty car right there, man. See it out in that sun. Wait for a clearing, Mike. Mike, wait. Have a great day, guys.